Hey guys, John at Cross with your daily dose of old school cool. We just had this thing coming. It's a true barn find. We haven't touched it. Still has a box of parts in the back. This is a 57 Chevy Nomad. Came from a local gentleman. Factory V8 has been re-put back together. Thing runs and drives fantastic. Like I said, we drove it in here. Still has dust on it. Just been sitting in his garage for about 10 years. It's obviously been redone. We have receipts for about $50,000 worth of work. I mean, it's just cool. Look at this thing. Interior matches, two-tone, original dash, original steering wheel, two-tone top. It's about 99% complete. Needs a few little things like seat belts, but nothing major. It's all really here, and the box of parts has kind of everything else you need to finish it up. So this will be going live soon. For any other questions about this one, give us a shout anytime at 502-459-9900.